As an artist, I've always been interested in chaos, mess, lies, artifice, the made-up, and the impossible. My expanded animation practice, which involves both moving image installation and film, troubles notions of truth through the creation of paradoxical and fantastical animated objects. I usually begin a new piece with curiosity about a specific illusion. The magic trick temporarily disrupts a person's sense of what they think they know. Many animators take pleasure in this kind of trickery, but underlying this trickery is a meaningful proposition. I believe that even a subtle disruption of the space and material of the known world might incline us toward beneficial feelings of curiosity and openness. Most of my animated work is drawn by hand and then processed using a hybrid analog digital effects rig and photochemical experiments. I like these types of processes because the images that arise when I open to so many permutations of possibility seem to come from elsewhere. This element of surprise helps me acknowledge that I am working in dialogue with this apparatus. To enter into the process of an image materializing and make visible the interaction of light, electricity, and data exposes the vitality of the image. Humans are entangled within the world of objects, materials, machines, animals, plants, and energetic entities, which also have their own agency. This thinking is an alternative to a sense of human exceptionalism and separateness from the non-human world. I want to use animation to speculate and fabulate new ways of thinking about how the image comes to life and who and what has agency in that process, but also how narratives and myths are mutable too and can be remade and made otherwise. This is one place where I find a sense of possibility in the process of art making. These practices are magical to me because they compromise what we already know to be true and allow us to create new pathways and possibilities in our minds.